If you want to make prototype of electronic circuit, then this video for you. Hi friends, welcome back my channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to make circuits by using breadboard. Breadboard is also called as project board. This video is divided in three parts. In first part, we will discuss the internal construction of breadboard. In next part, we will learn the uses of breadboard. And in last part, we will learn how to construct prototype of electronics circuit by using breadboard. In last part, we will actually construct circuit in breadboard. So watch this video till the end. If you like to watch videos related to electronics, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. Breadboard is also called as project board. This board allows us make circuits by only pressing the components in this hole. First, if you see, here is the numbers of hole on this breadboard, and also the naming is provided like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The naming of these lines is given on breadboard. So you can understand that this A, B, C, D, E, these holes are vertically connected to each other, and the top side holes are horizontally connected to each other. But these holes are connected only middle of this breadboard, means from this to this all holes are connected to each other, and from left, from right to middle of the breadboard, these holes are connected to each other. So we can see the internal construction of breadboard. These holes are connected to each other by metal strip like this, and these holes, half of these holes are connected to each other by using metal strip like this, and these vertical holes are connected to each other by using the metal strip like this. So you can just press the components to connect and construct the circuit like this. You can just press the component. Here is also the grooves are provided to connect this breadboard to the another breadboard. So you can use numbers of breadboard each other. Next, if you see at back side, here is the tape is provided to stick the breadboard. In this way, we can see the construction of breadboard. In this way, we have discussed the construction of breadboard. Next, we will discuss about use of breadboard. Breadboard have 128 group of 5 connected terminals and 8 bus of 25 connected terminals. So, by using breadboard, you can construct many circuits. If you are fresher, then breadboard is very useful to construct circuits without soldering. So, breadboard is next use of breadboard is breadboard allow us to construct circuits without soldering. So, to reconstruct circuits is very easy by using breadboard. Next, we actually construct circuit by using breadboard. For this, we will use 1 kilo ohm 1 kilo ohm resistor, LED and 9-volt battery. So let's get started. We know that these holes are vertically connected to each other. So here we use this LED. We use these two lines and connect this LED. We just press LED in these lines, in these holes, like this. So this line and this line we use to construct the basic circuit, and we use this 1 kilo ohm of 1 kilo ohm resistor to drop voltage so in this way. To connect this resistor to this terminal, you can connect remaining 4 holes of this vertical line. We know that these vertical 5 holes are connected to each other internally, so you can just press any hole of this vertical line and connect at the top of breadboard, at the top of holes of this breadboard. You can use these vertical lines to construct the circuit, and these top lines or these bottom lines to give the power up of this circuit. Means these middle holes you can use to construct the circuit, and to power up this circuit, the power energy sources like battery or 230-volt source, you can connect these power terminal holes. So I have this 9-volt battery. I can just connect this positive terminal here. I have also required the chamfer wire to connect negative terminal sorry to these holes. In this way you can just connect. We know that these holes are horizontally connected to each other, so I can press this wire any of these holes. In this way you can make circuits easily by using breadboard, just pressing components in this hole. I hope you understand how to construct circuit by using breadboard. Just remember that use these holes for power components like battery or transformer, and these middle holes used to construct actual circuit. I hope you understand how to construct circuits. If you like this video, then comment me. I hope you understand how to make circuits by using breadboard. You can also use you can also try this and comment me which circuit you can construct by using breadboard. Also comment me what you think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand how to construct circuits by using breadboard without soldering components. You can try this and comment me which circuit you have construct by using breadboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this.